Connect any LLM to your browser with Agentation. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that can completely change how you use the internet, connecting any LLM to your browser using Agentation. Now imagine browsing the web with an AI that understands everything on your screen. It helps you write, summarize content, automates tasks, and even interacts with websites on your behalf. That is exactly what we're setting up today. Now, this isn't just about convenience, it's about turning your browser into a powerful AI workspace, whether you're researching, coding, writing, or managing tasks. Having a connected LLM gives you a serious advantage. So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through setting this up with Agentation. So by the end, your browser will feel like a completely different and smarter tool. So first of all, let's understand LLM integration into our browsers. Now, basically, an LLM or a large language model is essentially an AI that can write, analyze, and respond to text in a human-like way. Now, when you integrate it into your browser, it gains the ability to interact with web pages directly. This means it can summarize articles, extract key information, autofills forms, generates replies, and even assists with workflows across different websites. Agentation acts as the bridge between your browser and the LLM, allowing seamless communication between the two. Understanding this concept helps you see the bigger picture where you're not just installing a tool, you're actually upgrading your entire browsing experience. So let's talk about setting up Agentation. What you're going to do is you're going to come over to agentation.com, and once you're here, you're going to create an account. Once everything is done, you're going to basically go over and download Python onto your PC. So once you go ahead and download Python, after that, what you're simply going to do is here it is going to give you a Node.js command prompt. If it doesn't give you that, you can go ahead and actually download Node.js separately as well. So you're simply going to hit Node.js. And as you can see, it's going to give you the option to download Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime environment. So simply come over here and hit Windows Installer. That should download Node.js for you. And once that is done, you're going to hit CMD, and it's going to give you the Node.js command prompt. So we're going to open that up. Now, once you have this, what we're going to do from here is we're going to come over to Agentation. And once we're in Agentation, what's going to happen over here is you're going to go over to Install. Once you go to Install, there are three different ways to do this. So if you just want annotations on your browser, you're going to go ahead and copy this code over here. Once you've copied that, come right here and right click. And once that is done, you're going to hit enter. Now, of course, once you hit enter, as you can see, it's going to say that the Agentation software has been installed. And once it's installed, it's going to come right here. As we can see, I opened this up. Now, this basically allows us to edit anything in our website. So let's say if I choose this region, you can go ahead and annotate it. If we have this, you can actually see the codes for it as well, the CSS codes and what you should change. But of course, these are only annotations. These are things that you can pretty much specifically go ahead and annotate to make changes to later. Now, after installation, obviously, what if you want to connect a proper LLM? An LLM like the Copilot chat on the Microsoft Edge browser, just like this. What if you need to make changes to that? So what we're going to do in that case is you could either have an application for yourself, which is a proper coding application, or you could go ahead and use Claude Code. So if you guys don't know what Claude Code is, Claude AI is basically an chat-based AI good for coding, and Claude Code is its specific planner that allows you to create a proper coding LLM for yourself. So once you're here, as you can see, it's going to say get Claude Code, right? So it's going to depend on how you want it for yourself. Okay. So you could go with desktop, and once you hit desktop, it's going to bring you to claude.com/download. Now, once we're over here, you could download any one of these for yourself, which is going to allow you to get Claude Code all in one place. So you're going to hit the setup and hit run. As we can see, it has started installing Claude, and this package doesn't only include the normal Claude AI, it also includes Claude Cowork and Claude Code. Okay. And once we have Claude Code, you could simply add agentation into that. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to build a custom agent that's going to allow you to set up your components, your MCPs, and you can go ahead and access it directly onto your browser. And that will provide you an LLM. Now, even without Claude Code, you do have an LLM on your browser just as so. But of course, this is something that won't work, you know, maybe the way you want it to, because this is purely for annotations, as you can clearly see. Or the most you can do is, if we go ahead and turn this off, we're going to come over to agentation. We're simply going to wait for Claude Code to finish installing. And once that is done, you're going to be able to see that we can actually manipulate the installations on Claude Code. So if we go ahead and close that, you can see that right here, there's this animation going on in the background. If I open that up, you can actually pause the animations and you can choose the specific bits in animations as well. See their codes, make changes to them. You can go ahead and wireframe whole layouts. Okay. And once a layout is added, you could go ahead and add different brand and navigation items into it if you want to make changes. And then moving on, let's click out of this. You can also go ahead and see if there's any visibility in your quantizations. You can copy the feedback, you can delete specific areas, and also make changes to the output details. But moreover, once Claude is done, we're going to hit get started. Obviously, go ahead and sign in with your account. Of course, I'm going to be signing in with my Gmail, but you can pretty much use any other consistent email that you have. Once we're here, we're going to hit continue. Once we hit continue, we're going to open up Claude once our sign in is complete. And once we're here, as you can see, Claude is going to run us up right here. Now, go ahead to code. Once you go ahead to code, do make sure to get the Pro plan, because without that, you will not be able to use Claude Code or Cowork. And once you're there, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come over to agentation just as so. You're simply going to go over to the install section. And right here, you're going to add the /agentation skill, which sets up your components and MCP server. And that is going to allow you to go ahead and get your AI directly on your web pages. And once you've gotten that, there's tons and tons of features you can work with, like different annotation modes for yourself, computed styles, React component detection, and there's different layout modes you can work with. You can also go ahead and use that specific AI to ask questions on your page, and it's going to work just like your very own Microsoft Copilot. Now, of course, Copilot won't be as strong as your very own LLM, because Copilot is managing multiple other things. The LLM that you add will manage only what it sees in front of it and only what you ask of it and what you tell it. So that is what defines your LLM and how you can set it up for yourself on your browser. So that is pretty much about it for this video. From installation and setup to real-time assistance and workflow automation, you now have everything you need to transform your browsing experience. This isn't just a small upgrade, it is a shift in how we interact with the web. So if you found this helpful, do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.